Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 7th episode to create photography website using Flexbox. In the previous episode, we worked on the footer. And today, we will create a title block and add some content on the about page. First, open your index.html, about.html and main.css. Now, if you open our about page, you will see nothing over here. It is completely blank. So, from the index.html, you can copy the header tag and paste it inside this about.html. Then again, you can copy this footer tag and paste it just after the header tag. Once done, you can check the site and you should see the header and footer which we had created in our previous session. Now, let's work on this title block. So in this about.html, just after this header tag, let's add the comment called main and add the main tag. Then add the comment called title block. Add div with a class called title block. Inside, add another div with a class called container. Then add about us inside h1 tag. Now let's add this image inside the style attribute of this title block class name. Then we can use the background, URL and the path of our image, which is images/img-about.jpg. Once done, you can check your site and we can see our image and title. Now let's copy this content and just after this title block div, let's add the comment called content block and let's reuse the class called block. Then add div with a class called container. In p tag, you can copy that content. Once done, you can refresh the site and our HTML is complete. Now let's work on the CSS for this title block. We have to reuse them in other pages like contact us. So in main.css, instead of adding them at the bottom, let's add them before this header. So add the comment called title block. You can copy the class name title block and then add the fixed height of 300 px. Then let's also add the padding 30 px and 0. Once done, you can refresh the site and you can see our image. Now let's work on this title. So in the h1 tag, apply the white color. Increase the font size to 24 px and apply the font weight of 600. Refresh the site and now our title is looking exactly the same, but it needs to be at the bottom. So let's use Flexbox to resolve them. So in the container class name, let's use display flex. And to keep them at bottom, we have to use align items flex end. Also make sure to add height 100%. Once done, you can check the site again, and this time if you compare it to our design, it is looking exactly the same. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will work on our themes section. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link in the description below. Thank you and see you soon.